Where are we going today, guys?
Faga'alu Waterfall. Once again, we are daughterless. Hattie's off having her own adventures, which is great. It's just me and my boys for today's adventure.
We've been to Faga'alu Waterfall as a family just one other time before, and it wasn't like a really impressive experience. It's really pretty getting there. You drive by the hospital and up through kind of like these houses going up this mountain ravine. Feels like a really cool like rainforest experience. At the end you go through like a little creek. As you get closer you have to kind of park and then walk through an active rock quarry. You're walking through big piles of gravel and you get to kind of the end of it, and then there are these big ponds of like sludge that they're there for a good reason. They help to protect the runoff from the quarry getting into the creek, which helps it from not getting down into the ocean, but it's a little bit unnerving when you're looking at that and thinking that you're going to be swimming in something close to that. And then you get to the actual waterfall and it's pretty and it's nice. A little waterfall trickling down the rock, but in general we've been to a lot nicer waterfalls on the island, so I didn't feel a strong need to go back there.
Soon after we went to Faga'alu Falls and had that experience, I saw a friend post on Instagram that their family had gone, and it was a video of them jumping off these rocks into this pool, and that was not the Faga'alu Falls that we had been to. It didn't look anything like that. And pretty soon she invited me to go along to Faga'alu Falls, and we just walked right past that first pool that our family went to, and there's a second falls further up, and it was so much better. It's a little bit tricky to be able to find if you don't know what you're looking for, but because I had her leading the way, we got up there and it was a bigger falls. It was so much more beautiful. Sure enough, you could kind of scale up the side of the mountain and there's a pretty good jump. And ever since I went, I've been wanting to go back with the family and take them all, just knowing that the kids would love being able to jump off and jump down into the pool.
We just got to Faga'alu Falls, the parking spot, which you can see our car back there. And we're starting to walk through the quarry, but there are machine noises up ahead. And it's a Saturday, so this place should be kind of closed down. And we've come through here before like this, but we're a little nervous. And now I can see some people up ahead of us there too. Like they might be doing work, so we'll see if they'll even let us go through here. Oh, yeah. This has always been kind of a nervous thing for me walking through here. This feels like it's like a place that you shouldn't really be allowed to go publicly, but everybody comes, so I think it should be okay. So we're just gonna stay way out of everybody's way. Over here, buddy. We're just gonna get way out of everybody's way. And maybe they'll just let us walk past without stopping us and hassling us. Okay, try not to get all muddy. slippery. We're up. While this all is still incredibly slippery. Almost looks like it'd be a fun water slide. Don't know if you can quite tell in the video, but that's about a 10-foot drop with a hard bottom. Probably not the best water slide.
In my eyes they see just what they wanna see. Hold me now, you're the one I need. It's too late, I know, but who am I to care?
So it's beautiful up here, but I just lost Melinda and the kids. Oh. So right now I'm just sort of walking through this creek, and it's nice and cool and very refreshing after walking through the humid rainforest there for a bit. Look at this. It's just beautiful up here. So really hardly anybody gets up here. A little bit of a climb, which is honestly not bad compared to a lot of things that we've done, a lot of places that we've been. That little bit of a climb is really effective at keeping people away. It keeps places like this just really pristine for the few of us that are willing to put the work into it. And we are here. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. It's like a little paradise just for us. All right, I'm gonna jump in and cool off.
Kip, how is it? Good. Is it cold?
that was a ton of fun. This place was way better than I expected. It was just such a hidden gem. Great for families, but I mean, if you're going to be coming here, it would be a very romantic spot if it was just you and your significant other.
The hike back here is pretty tricky, so we all kind of slipped and slid around a little bit, but no falls that were too big.
I would say the jump was fun. It was scary. It was bigger than I thought it was going to be, which is always a fun, exciting, happy surprise. But I hit the bottom. Melinda hit the bottom. The boys, neither of them did. They were fine.
And I know at least I hit like a single boulder. So if you have really good jumping aim, then maybe you would be luckier than us. But obviously we don't have very good aim. So we both kind of grazed off the bottom when we jumped in.
So if you're going to jump, do it at your own peril. And maybe don't do it at all if you're very big, because it's not the safest jump I've ever made.
But we're going to head out now. We've been here for hours, which was great.
Yeah, real fun day.
Let us know if you've been here before, if you've tried out Faga'alu Falls, if you've made it back to this second fall like us, or if you got to the first one and decided to turn around and head back home.
Let us know if you know of any other great waterfalls in American Samoa that we can go visit and make a video about. We've done kind of the big ones, and we're looking for other fun ones to do. And if we can get enough likes on this video, we'll go make one soon. So make sure to like this video.
Subscribe.
And please leave a comment, because we love your comments.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.